church music issues in the Philippines. And as I exploring worship music, I chose the song titled Malayang Malaya by Passion Generation. There are two flowed style of worship about this song. First is shallow worship, second is ecstatic worship. So we are watching this video right now. As I observe about the lyrics of this song, there are repetitive lyrics. Example, those lyrics, Malaya, malayang malayang malaya, and then until the end of this verse talks about malayang malaya. So there are no teaching, there are no lyrics about the gospel. It is repetitive. That's why I call this song about the shallow, because they neglect the doctrine or the teaching about the scripture. They chose about these repetitive lyrics. So shallow worship, what does it mean? So the bridge part, there are repetitive again about their lyrics, and they call this ecstatic worship. So what is ecstatic worship? And as I observe the bridge part, there are repetitive again about their lyrics, and they are focusing about their style and the beauty of the instrument, the sound, how they sound, and they are not focusing about the foundation, about their song that could teach about the scripture. It's not allowed to sing this kind of song in Sunday worship because it's shallow. As you can see, as you heard, the lyrics is repetitive, and according to John 4:24, according to Colossians 3:16, says, so when we choose a song, it must be singable, gospel-centered, cross-centered, and congregational. It must be fit with the message of the pastor.